Thank you so much for joining us today on our channel. We're truly blessed to have shared this time with you, worshiping, learning, and growing together in faith. If today's program has touched your heart, inspired your mind, or lifted your spirits, we invite you to share it with others who might benefit as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our future programs, designed to bring us closer to God and to each other, even when we're apart. May the peace and love of our God be with you throughout the coming days. Until we meet again, stay blessed, keep the faith, and remember, you're always welcome here, in our digital congregation. Goodbye for now, and God bless.